Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Workshop for All. Continuing my previous class in which I dealt with conjunctions. In my previous class I dealt with some uses of some correlative conjunctions. Today I am going to deal with use of some conjunctions only. It means except that, but were it not that. For example, the night is pleasant, only rather hot. Next is or. It is used to introduce an alternative. For example, do or die. What do you want? Money or life? Remember here, there may be several alternatives also. For example, he may study medical or engineering or enter a trade. Enter into a trade. It means otherwise also, you must work hard or you will fail in the exam. Next is since. Since is used to express time or cause or reason. It is a subordinate conjunction. It means because when cause or reason is shown and used at the beginning of the sentence. For example, it has been a year since I saw you. Here this since shows time. But since he is my teacher, I respect him. This since shows cause or reason. Next is because. Because is used to specify some reason. I obey him because he is my boss. As it is used to specify some reason or cause. As she is my mother, I respect her. As means because when it shows reason. It also used to express manner. To express reason, we generally use as at the beginning of the sentence. Example, as you sow, so you reap. Or, as a celebrity, he is well known. Next is for. It is also used to specify some reason. Example, I didn't sing, for I was not well. Here, remember one thing, because shows the strongest reason, since shows normal reason, and as shows the weakest reason. For example, I could not attend the meeting because I was seriously ill. Since I had headache, I stayed at home. The first one is I could not attend the meeting because I was seriously ill. It shows strong reason. But since I had headache, I stayed at home. This shows normal reason. But the last one, I didn't go to school as it was raining. Weak cause is shown here. Next is while. While means during or throughout the time. It is used as an adversative conjunction to show contrast between the two statements. Ram studied while his sister played. As a subordinate conjunction of time, introducing adverbial clause, strike the iron while it is hot. Remember here that it is blunder to mix while with when. While and when, these two are different. While means during or throughout the time, whereas when expresses a point of time. The speaker was speaking while the people were shouting. Mark here, the speaker was speaking while the people were shouting. While is being used here. Both the actions are taking place simultaneously. But when he saw me, he waved. These are some of the conjunctions, and in my next class, I shall be dealing with conjunctional phrases. Thank you very much.